Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the top 5 tourist destinations around the globe. So let's get started. At number 5 we have Istanbul's Grand Bazaar. Istanbul is a great tourist destination and almost 91.25 visitors visit this grand market. It is one of the most visited market where you will get handmade stuff like ceramics, lanterns and carpets. It's more famous for Byzantine style jewelry. Istanbul's Grand Bazaar has beaten the Mexico City's the Zocalo and New York's Times Square. It is a very colorful and messy bazaar which is situated in the old city. You need to give at least 3 to 4 hours to this bazaar if you actually want to shop here. But most of the tourists spend here like 2 to 3 days. At number 4 we have Taj Mahal from Agra, India. Taj Mahal is one of the most famous tourist destinations as more than 2 to 4 million visitors visit this incredible mahal built by Shah Jahan. It is one of the wonders of the 7 wonders of the world. It is also called the Monument of Love because the King Shah Jahan constructed it for his beloved wife Mumtaz. It is a must-visit place as here you would see different types of marbles used to construct Taj Mahal. It has been aided and given historical evidence that many precious and semi-precious stones were crafted in the wall, but the British people have ripped off from its wall. At number 3 we have Machu Picchu, Peru. Machu Picchu is Peru's one of the most visited sites because of the adventure and experience that it offers to its tourists. The place is mesmerizing with its marvel of mortar-free limestone architecture in the most dangerous Amazonian jungle. There were many visitors who were visiting this place earlier, but recently the government has limited the number of visitors to 2,500 people per day at Machu Picchu. Once you are here, take the multi-day hiking trails and travel through deep Andean gullies, where you will enjoy the stunning views and enjoy the hiking at the same time. It is always recommended that before you visit this place, you take tickets in advance. At number 2 we have Tokyo's Disneyland. Tokyo's Disneyland in Japan entertains more than 17 million people. After beating out Anaheim's and CA's Disneyland, it has become the second most visited theme park in the world. Not only kids but even adults can enjoy here. It has maintained the sweetness of the original parks. You can see Dumbo the Flying Elephant, Star Tours Fantasyland with Peter Pan's fight, and Tomorrowland's Space. The adventure and fun will not end here. It is only started as further you can enjoy a musical soundtrack with the Jungle Cruise Wildlife Expedition. You can also take a trip in the new After Dark Night cruise, where you will unfold more surprises. And finally, at number 1 we have the Forbidden City. The Forbidden City is one of the most famous tourist attractions in the world. It is nothing less than a dream destination for many tourists. More than 2.5 million tourists visit this place every year. This theme park has beaten Eiffel Tower, the Great Pyramids and Stonehenge in the race of the most visited place of tourists. It is the best place to spend a family vacation, and with the World Tourism Organization, more and more travelers are hitting this place. The Forbidden City is must-visit place as it gives you a clear picture about Chinese culture. It is a Chinese imperial palace from the Ming dynasty. This place was built to end the Qing dynasty. So this was the list of the top 5 tourist destinations in the world. I hope you like my videos. Do like, subscribe and comment.